OPEX has no flex as the market continues to go nowhere. Will someone take control? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so we had options expirations on Friday, and they did absolutely nothing with it as the market grinded sideways for most of the day. They did not take out any key levels, so that puts us in wait-and-see mode. So what exactly are we waiting for? I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, essentially we're looking for key levels to break, so let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1-hour futures chart for the S&P 500, and not a lot has changed since last week as the market really hasn't gone anywhere. And so what we're looking for is still this. We're looking at the top back here in early April, this spike up as our wave 3 top, wave 3 of 3 top, I should say. And then we are looking at this move down as wave 4, then a leading diagonal for 1, and then we have wave 2 in either in process or completed. It does look like it's still in process based on the overall structure. Wave 2 in process, and then from there we'd be looking for the next move up, assuming support can hold. So what is our support level? Our support level is 4120, where I have the bottom of this lighter blue or darker blue box here. If 4120 breaks, it is a message to the bulls. It's kind of a warning. And if 4100 breaks on the ES, it is an absolute warning that we should be seeing the 3950 level at a minimum. So the bulls are looking to hold it over the 4120 ES area, futures chart area, and then start a move that would look like this, where you get a wave 1 of 3 higher, a wave 2 of 3 down, and then 3 of 3, 4, and then 5 of 3 up toward 4300. And then you'd get a 4-5 after that, just over 40 to just around 4,400, assuming the entire pattern played out. Now, it's very possible we could end this right at 4,300 and then come down from there. But overall, the targets are 4,400 for the move up for all 5 waves. Now, the reason 4120 is so important is because of the confluence of the targets that we're looking for. And if we hold 4120, it does give us confluence for the targets that we're looking for. Below that, and the market starts to miss its targets or doesn't project out to its targets, so it becomes less likely that we're going to hit that. It's also a perfect retrace area for the move down off of the wave 1 move up. So 4120 is a key area for the bulls. And then after that, if they break, we would be looking for the E leg of the triangle that we've been talking about as our alternate count down toward the 3950 to as low as 3900 area. Over on the NASDAQ, okay, not a whole lot of new information to report as they have not broken in either direction. They've kind of just grinded slowly down off of this high. We would expect them to complete this C wave down. If they do that, it would likely be in conjunction with 4120 on the ES, and then look for the next move higher after that. However, if they cannot hold this support down here at about the 12,777 area, then we would look for them to fall further to the next level, which would be 12,500, and look for a bigger ABC after that, which would take us down a little lower. So the key level for the bulls here is 12,877 down to the 12,777 areas to hold on this move down for this ABC off of this high. Okay, so again, this would all be a bigger ABC pattern that would play out, and then you'd look for the bounce up and off of that support area. Now, if that support area can't hold, we'd be looking for the 12,500 area next. For the NASDAQ to move directly higher, it is possible. This is kind of a big bull flag pattern where we could be looking for the next push up, but I don't see a great count for that. They would be very high up here, and this would project almost to 15,000, which is a little higher than we would expect. We would expect more in the 14 to 14.5 range for a top. So the NASDAQ does have a higher projection than the ES as far as overall retrace of the move down, but I would expect at least this retrace down toward the 12,877 level before we see another leg higher. So the NASDAQ, again, kind of in this big bull flag pattern, but could come a little bit lower to complete this pattern we're looking at, this ABC, and before it shoots higher next. And that would be our overall primary expectation. So all in all, guys, nothing really changed as the market continues to grind sideways in this range. And until that range breaks and we break some key levels, we are stuck in the same boat. Guys, if you love the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it will take you right over to the webpage. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans, and they both come with a 7-day free trial. That's because I want you to get in there and make sure you love it and become part of our trading team before you ever spend a penny. You can cancel at any time. We just started our training program, and our first course is the Elliott Wave for Beginners course. You can see all the videos here that we've done, and it's Elliott Wave the way I teach it, and it does come with both memberships. In our first room, the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, all of your Elliott Wave questions answered, a midday video where I go over exactly where we are in the counts and what to expect, as well as the training program you just saw. We trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are looking for day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as day trading, individual stocks, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. He gets you in at a cheap price and gets you big multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. Something you kind of have to see to understand, and that's another reason we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into an account, trading mini ES futures, averaging 3 to 4% per week, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, we would love to have you in these rooms so we can all make money together. Key takeaways for today: it's sit and wait until we break a key level, either 4120 to the downside or this high here to the upside, this 4200 area on the ES. That will give us an indication of which breakout point we're looking at. And over on the NASDAQ, same situation. We're looking for a key level to break, either this A wave low or this B wave high. Guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.